Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a 2021 Ford F-250 Super Duty, and I'm going to teach you how to remove the front grille. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is remove this plastic trim cover. It's held by push pins, and they're all over the place, all on the edges. So we're going to go ahead and start at the edge and kind of work our way around. The way to remove this push pin, you get a screwdriver or a prying tool underneath, lift up the tab, and then when the tab's lifted, you can just remove it. So we're gonna do the same thing, all the push pins that are holding this cover. All right, now that we got all the push pins out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and lift up on the plastic trim piece around the intake, around the handle, and just get this out of the way. Now I wanna remove two nuts, one on each side, that are facing this way. So I'm going to remove it, and that's going to allow the grille to detach from the subframe. Alright, so there's two bolts, one on each side, that are hiding behind these caps. Just get a flathead screwdriver, and let's take off these covers. Just kind of pry them out of the way, and it exposes one bolt on each side. So I'll remove these as well. It's a 10mm, and we'll do the same thing on the passenger side. Next thing, we're going to unclip the grille halfway. There's two more things that we have to disconnect before the grille comes off. There is the camera, so there's a harness behind here, and there's also a water line. So I'm just going to kind of peel it back, unclip it. Alright, so I'm going to take a screwdriver. All I'm doing is just lifting this black ring and sliding it out, so that way I can take apart these two fittings. That ring holds these two fittings together. There you go, and I just remove it. So you just kind of peel this back and unplug it. One last thing, there's a brown harness here. There's a button on the bottom. Press on the button and just unplug it. So now we can unclip the bottom clips and just remove the grille. And this is how you remove a front grille from a 2021 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Please follow along, and we're going to install some light bars on this truck, and I hope you guys learned something. Thank you guys for watching.